Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use a free text to video generator so you can create professional looking videos in minutes. No editing skills needed, no expensive software, just use your script and AI doing the magic. And this is perfect for YouTube, marketing or social media content. So the first step that you're going to do is choose a free text to video tool. You can open your browser and search for free AI text to video generators. There are so many options like Pictory, InVideo or CapWing AI. And here today, I'm going to show you with CapCut AI. This one, dreamina.capcut.com/AI tool. So in here, you can just enter your text. You can copy paste your script, blog post, or any text into the generator. Here, don't forget to change it into AI video, and then you can describe the video you are imagining. So for example, I'm going to go with blog. Okay, let's say I'm going to just go with that. You can adjust the durations and the screen ratio. I'm going to go with 9:16. And then you can just click on this generate option or this arrow up. So AI will analyze your text and automatically create a storyboard with matching visual animations and even subtitles if needed. So you can just wait until the process is finished. Okay, so now the video is out. You can just click on it to preview the result. And if you're happy with the result, you can just tap on this arrow down to export it. You can also do some editing. If you want to, you can click on this three dots icon and click on edit. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.